Welcome back to the channel Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 300, a machine that continues to carry forward the legacy of the Ninja series with a perfect balance of style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a beginner rider looking for your first sport bike or a seasoned enthusiast craving a lightweight yet capable machine, the 2025 Ninja 300 is here to impress. The Ninja 300 has always been a fan favorite, and the 2025 model brings some fresh updates that make it even more appealing. It retains its aggressive supersport-inspired styling with sharper body lines, new graphics, and LED lighting that not only looks modern but also enhances visibility and safety on the road. The aerodynamic design helps reduce drag while giving it a striking road presence that closely resembles its bigger siblings like the Ninja ZX-6R and ZX-10R. At the heart of the Ninja 300 is a refined 296cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine that delivers smooth power throughout the rev range. With a responsive throttle and a sporty exhaust note, the 2025 model offers a thrilling riding experience whether you're zipping through city traffic or taking on twisty backroads. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, and thanks to the assist and slipper clutch, shifting is buttery smooth with reduced effort and added control during downshifts. Handling is another area where the Ninja 300 truly shines. The lightweight chassis, balanced weight distribution, and low seat height make it incredibly nimble and confidence-inspiring, especially for newer riders. It features telescopic front forks and a uni-track rear suspension setup that absorbs bumps well and keeps the bike planted in corners. The bike is also equipped with front and rear disc brakes, with optional dual-channel ABS for added braking confidence. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Ninja 300 is its user-friendly nature. It's sporty, yet comfortable enough for daily commuting or longer rides. The ergonomics strike a good balance between aggressive and relaxed, with slightly raised handlebars and well-positioned foot pegs. The instrument cluster has been updated with a new LCD digital display that shows all vital information at a glance, including gear position, fuel range, average mileage, and more. In terms of efficiency, the Ninja 300 continues to be one of the most economical sport bikes in its class. With impressive fuel economy and a 17-liter fuel tank, you can expect long rides between fill-ups. Whether you're a college student, a working professional, or a weekend rider, this bike fits seamlessly into a variety of lifestyles. Kawasaki also offers a range of color options and official accessories, allowing riders to customize their Ninja 300 to match their personality. From tank pads to frame sliders and sporty windscreens, you can enhance both the style and function of your ride. To sum it up, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 300 remains a top contender in the entry-level sport bike segment. It's powerful enough to excite, yet manageable for everyday use. With refined performance, aggressive looks, improved technology, and Kawasaki's legendary reliability, it continues to be an ideal choice for riders of all experience levels. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 300, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Pulse for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.